going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beamer Fam. You guys join us with another video out here at QBM Auto Parts. And I want you guys to check them out on Instagram and YouTube. They just started a YouTube channel. They have some crazy cars here. And then right here, he's got, basically it's an M8. I mean, it's an 8 series. We're gonna check this thing out further. So we've got BBS wheels on it. Beautiful two-tone interior. The M3 vader seats, which is something you never see in an 8 series. M steering wheel, gearbox, Dinan shifter. Wow, this thing is clean. Beautiful. I think this thing is a Mola red, which is gorgeous. Right here is the S62 from the E39 M5 with the Supercharger strapped to it. Roughly this thing is pushing around 620 horsepower, which is insane. I mean, what you think? Would you take a new M8 comp or would you take old school, basically an M8 like this? You already know which one I'm going with. I'm going with this. And you can see the kidney grills have come a long way. I like the size on this generation 8 series. So
did a supercharger from ESS Tuning.
Okay.
It's got a custom evolved engineered plenum, super sprint headers, UC lightweight clutch kit.
Okay.
Dinan exhaust. I ordered the show bar from Dinan. I did custom brackets on it to make it fit. Also did one in the trunk as well. The trunk brace from Dinan. Got that from my Mini Cooper.
No kidding.
I made it work. I got a custom differential from an E46 M3. We did the vaders inside. Custom steering wheel.
Oh yeah, and you took the rear seats out, right?
I took the rear seats out, yeah.
Nice.
Either way, nobody can fit back there.
Right. What kind of suspension is on it?
It's on Phil Steve's with H&R's.
H&R's, okay.
Yeah. To put coilovers on this car, you got to cut the front knuckle off and weld it.
Okay.
I don't really trust welds on a car, you know.
Right.
I want to make sure it's sturdy and going on the road, you know.
I gotta say the fitment it's perfect, man.
I did a stud kit from BMW on the car. I'll fire it up real quick.
Bet. Okay. Wow. Listen to that. Holes in the hood. Look at that supercharger. Wow. Beautiful. It's got the fire extinguisher. You already know the deal. Let's get strapped in. Obviously, you know, you don't have
nothing. No, just a Dinan box in the back.
God,
it's crazy.
All of this is just like the 6 series almost, like how it swoops up and down.
Yeah. Pull over, I'll have you drive it.
Now I'm about to take this for a spin. Went first?
Yeah.
Man.
It's crazy.
This guy's got the fire extinguisher, he's got the harness. Wow, that's tight.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
though.
I like the short throw.
Same. Same.
Wow. I'm speechless. I don't know if you guys can tell. Listen to the motor. That's what I love about supercharged versus turbocharged. You can still hear that motor.
Yeah.
That might be my favorite around 3.5, 4,000 RPM.
Yeah, same.
So you sound a very unique car.
Yeah. Thank you. Supercharged. It's got the super sprint headers on it. And I got the Evolve engineering plenum done to it. So that added about 30 horsepower, they say. The plenum. But this car came alive when I put the plenum on. So it had the stock M5 plenum on there. It didn't make all these sounds. When I changed this plenum, it started, all these sounds started coming about. All the whistling and all the pushes and stuff was all from that plenum. I got way more power out of it.
And these wing mirrors, are those stock? Or?
That's a stock CSI.
Okay.
850 CSI mirror.
I like that. Put the windows up, it's a little more daily drivable.
Yeah. It just wants to go. So when you have the foot on the gas, you don't feel the road choke. It's crazy.
Yeah, man. I mean, this is the closest thing to an M8 from this generation as you can get from what you've done to it.
Yeah.
You got the M seats, you got the M type mirrors, the motor, the gearbox.
Yep, all that.
You know, you've done the suspension right, you've got the upgraded brakes, steering wheel. And then you slap the supercharger on it. Wow. Such a cool car. Yeah, that's pretty much the last thing this thing needs is a tune-up.
Yeah, I think once I tune it, because it only happens at that. So if you shift fast enough, you felt it. When you're shifting, you don't feel nothing.
Yeah.
Right when you let it drop, it starts choking.
Yeah.
Like at the idle, it's crazy. And at this RPM range, you feel it. You kind of feel it, right? Like
Yeah.
it's choking a little bit. And you give it gas, it goes away.
Yeah.
So I just want to make it perfect. But when you're on foot on the throttle, you feel everything.
Right.
You feel it all.
So it's in sport mode right now, right?
Yeah, but I think I do it in sport for you. You gotta hit the button, you'll feel it if it turns on. Yeah.
So did you have that button put there?
So it used to be a garage door button.
Really?
So we just wired it up to the sport mode.
I love it.
Yeah. Just the 850 CSI has a V12, I'm sure you know.
Right.
And then there's the one that made prototype
Right.
with the S70 V12, the engine that's in the McLaren F1.
Right.
So that's that motor.
Those things are going for a lot of money right now.
Yeah. It's like BMW, why didn't you build that M8?
Exactly.
They would have been selling for almost the same, I would say. That's when it's alive.
Sorry, Dad. I like this better than your car.
Yeah.
It's got the manual M6 Grand Coupe. It just has character.
Yeah.
You know, this era.
Yeah. You feel it all.
Yeah.
Everything.
You know, it's really connected to the car. You know.
Yep. This doesn't feel like an M5 though, right?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Because a lot of people ask me like, does this feel like an M5? I'm like, I don't know. I can't say.
driving the E39, the numbers are lower because it's slower.
Yeah.
Wow. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Let's see what I can do with it.
So have you raced anything
$100 goes in a day. You know?
I can totally see that.
Yeah.
Maybe a solid 6, 7.
Yeah, somewhere right there.
Well, the E39 wasn't that good anyway. That's 13 in the city, 21 on the highway.
Yep. And if you get on it, probably less every time. But this one, I'm always getting on this car. You know?
Yeah.
I can't. You see what happens when you drive it slow?
Yeah.
It's choking.
You just gotta go all in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that power's there, and my E39 M5, you know, it would have the torque, but the power down more down low, kind of like towards 3.5, 4,000 RPM, wasn't always there. The higher speeds,
Yeah.
it's there in this thing.
Yeah. When the supercharger helps kicks in.
Yeah, the extra bit of power.
Yep. So we built a second one. We got a black. It's at the shop as well. Same swap, M5 E39, but we didn't supercharge it. That one we just left it all motor, naturally aspirated. That was a lot of fun. That one's more stock. You can drive it daily.
Yeah.
Everything's covered inside. You got the shift knob covered up. You know, it doesn't feel shaky like this one. We left a moderate differential in there. It's still posi, you know, so you can feel the M5 from the motor. But that one's more calm to drive.
Right.
You know, black on black, just simple. This one I take it out like once a month, twice a month, if that. You know.
Yeah.
Take it out, have fun. I'm good. I'll park the car. You know.
It's just a reminder that you're alive, you're living.
Yeah.
You drive this car.
Yeah.
This thing's an animal, man. Yeah, this car just wants to be driven hard.
Yeah.
So that Tesla behind us is like, what the hell is that?
So first gear is very short.
Yeah.
It's got an E46 M3 diff.
Oh.
So it's a 362 gearing. The M5 is 315. That's why first gear is very jerky.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Like in the streets, I take off in second gear.
Oh, okay.
So I don't jerk like that, but first gear, you felt it.
Yeah.
Literally nothing.
Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check us out on Instagram, check out QBM Auto Parts, check out Mike on Instagram as well, check out their YouTube channel, all links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.